everybody, quick spelling test to get us started on our day today. So get yourself a pen and paper, let's go for it. It was homophones and near homophones this week, and they're always tricky, and I'm hoping that my top tip this week will give you a little bit of a clue and help you out a bit. So I'm going to say the word and then I'm going to put it into a sentence and you have to choose the right spelling for it, okay? Okay, the first word, number 1, is the word advise. Listen to it in the sentence. I asked Mr. Holland to advise me on which computer to buy. Advise. Number 2 is the word practice. Okay, listen to the sentence. Sadly, I have a hole in my tooth, so a visit to the dental practice is in order. Practice. Which spelling do you need? Number 3 is the word device. Here's the sentence. Every night I charge my cellular device downstairs. Device. How are you going to spell that one? Number 4 is the word license. And here it is in context. She was so excited, she finally had her driving license. License. Number 5 is the word aisle. Mrs. Holland often spends too long in the treat aisle in Tesco. Aisle. How are you going to spell the word aisle? Number 6, my COVID test. Oh, let me tell you the word first, sorry. The word is serial. My COVID test has a serial number on it that I must report. Serial. My COVID test has a serial number on it that I must report. Which spelling are you going to choose? Number 7 is the word devise. The teachers got together to devise a plan for a night out after lockdown. Devise. Obviously, that was just on the phone. We didn't actually get together. Devise. The teachers got together online to devise a plan for a night out after lockdown. Okay, and number 8 is the word advice. Mrs. Wright and Miss Ridd always give great advice. Advice. And I can put a lot of other people's names into that as well. Mrs. Wood is very good at great advice. Okay. So let's see how you got on then. Number 1, I asked Mr. Holland to advise me on which computer to buy. The word is advise and it's A-D-V-I-S-E. Give yourself a tick if you've got it. If you didn't, write the correct one next to it so you'll remember for next time. Number 2, sadly I have a hole in my tooth, so a visit to the dental practice is in order. Practice. P-R-A-C-T-I-C-E in that sentence. Practice is a noun in that sentence, so it's going to be a C-E. Every night I charge my cellular device downstairs. Every night I charge my cellular device downstairs. That's my phone. Device. D-E-V-I-C-E. Device. C-E. It's a noun. Number 4. She was so excited, she finally had her driving license. License. L-I-C-E-N-C-E. It's the C-E again because it's a noun. It's a thing, a driving license. Mrs. Holland often spends too long in the treat aisle in Tesco's. It's true. The word is aisle and it's A-I-S-L-E, aisle. Number 6, my COVID test has a serial number on it that I must report. Serial, S-E-R-I-A-L. Well done if you got that one. Number 7, the teachers got together to devise a plan for a night out after lockdown. Devise, D-E-V-I-S-E. That's the S-E on the end because it's a verb. We got together to do something, to devise. And number 8, Mrs. Wright and Miss Ridd and Mrs. Wood and loads of other people at school always give great advice. The word was advice, A-D-V-I-C-E. Okay, let me know how you got on. Pop a little note in the stream if you like. Give us a thumbs up if you've done it, and if you feel proud of your score, pop it on there. If you've struggled and you've not got as many as you hoped you had, then just write some of these words down, or just read back over some of the things that we've done this week, because homophones are just hard. It is hard, and you've just got to know how to choose the right one. But remember, if it's CE on the end, it's going to be a noun, and if it's SE on the end, it's going to be a verb. So that could help you in the future with some of them. Okay, everybody, happy Friday. Oh, it's not Friday. It's Thursday. Happy Thursday, everybody. Enjoy the rest of the day, and we'll see you soon.